Okay, so guys, this is a paper plane test. This is my window, and we'll go test this plane out. So, let's go. Dang. If you want to know how to make this plane, the link will be in the description down below. And I'll see you guys later. Bye! Okay, so now you just saw what it looks like from up high. Now you can see how it looks like from down low. Okay, so here we go. Pretty cool. One more time. Oh, that was a fail for it, but. So, as you can see, it's a very good plane. And as I said in the last time, the link to making this will be in the description. So, goodbye, and I'll see you later.